Building Doctor Nanguram BP is a product used to prevent water seepage in areas where pipelines pass through walls. The special features of Building Doctor Nanguram BP are: it has non-shrinking qualities, it prevents water seepage, it is long-lasting, it has high flowability, and it has high bonding strength. This product can be used in water tanks, swimming pools, water storage areas, sunshade terraces, and sunken slabs where pipelines pass through walls as water outlets. Before using Building Doctor Nanguram BP, ensure you are ready with all the tools shown in the visual. Before using this product, it is mandatory to wear appropriate protective gear. Now let us see how to use this product. If there is any fossil, dirt, cement particles or paint on the outer surface area, clean it thoroughly before using Building Doctor Nanguram BP. Before fixing a new pipe in the wall joints, clean the top portion of the PVC pipe using a wire brush. To achieve strong bonding between the pipe and wall joints, Building All-Rounder and Building Doctor Plaster SBR should be mixed with cement and applied. Ensure that Building Doctor Nanguram BP is packed before the above mixture dries. 1 kg of Building Doctor Nanguram BP should be mixed thoroughly with 150 ml of water and packed tightly around the area where the pipe joins with the wall. After that, Building Doctor Tile Fix Power should be mixed with water and used to paste Building Doctor Corn Pro PC. Then, Building All-Rounder or Building Doctor Plaster SBR should again be mixed with cement and applied, followed by proper screening. The pop life of Building Doctor Nanguram BP may vary depending on temperature and other site conditions. Before using this product, carefully follow all the instructions shown in the visual.